What if I told you that cancer doesn't suddenly appear overnight? It begins with just one normal cell that slowly forgets the rules. But what makes that happen? Can canned food really cause cancer? What about soft drinks, processed meat, smoking, alcohol, or even too much sunlight? Let's break it down in simple English. Your body is made up of trillions of tiny cells. Think of your body as a well-organized city. Every cell has a job to do. Some cells build muscles. Some repair wounds. Some fight infections. Normally, each cell follows strict rules. It grows when it is needed, divides to make new cells when necessary, and dies when it becomes old or damaged. This natural process keeps your body healthy. Inside every cell is an instruction book called DNA. DNA tells the cell when to grow, when to divide, and when to stop. But sometimes, that instruction book becomes damaged. This damage is called a mutation. Imagine changing the instructions in a recipe. The food you make will not come out the way it should. The same thing happens when DNA is damaged. The cell no longer obeys the body's rules. Instead of stopping when it should, it keeps growing and keeps dividing. One abnormal cell becomes 2 become 4 become 8. Very soon, millions of abnormal cells form a lump called a tumor. Some tumors are harmless, but cancer happens when these abnormal cells invade nearby tissues and can spread through the blood or lymph to other parts of the body. This spread is called metastasis. Now the big question is, what damages the DNA? One of the biggest causes is smoking. Cigarette smoke contains many chemicals that can directly damage DNA. Every cigarette exposes your cells to substances that increase the risk of mutations. Another cause is too much ultraviolet UV light from the sun. UV rays can damage the DNA in skin cells, increasing the risk of skin cancer. Some viruses, such as hepatitis B or hepatitis C, can also increase the risk of certain cancer in normal cell growth. Heavy alcohol use, obesity, physical inactivity, long-term exposure to some industrial chemicals, air pollution, and inherited gene changes can also increase cancer risk. Now let's talk about canned foods and soft drinks, because many people are confused about them. A common myth is that all canned foods cause cancer. That is not true. Modern canned foods are designed to be safe. However, some can linings have contained chemicals such as bisphenol A or BPA. Canned food occasionally does not cause cancer by itself. The bigger concern is frequently eating highly processed foods. Many processed foods contain high amounts of salt and unhealthy fats. Eating a diet high in processed foods and low in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can increase the risk of several diseases, including some cancers. Soft drinks do not directly cause cancer. However, drinking large amounts of sugary drinks over time can contribute to obesity, and obesity increases the risk of several types of cancer. So it is the overall lifestyle and long-term habits that matter most. The good news is that many cancers can be prevented. Don't smoke, limit alcohol, maintain a healthy weight, exercise regularly, eat more fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains. Reduce processed meat and highly processed foods. Protect your skin from too much sunlight. Get vaccinated against HPV and hepatitis B when recommended. Go for regular medical checkups and cancer screening when appropriate. So remember this, cancer doesn't happen because one food suddenly creates it. It usually develops after DNA has been damaged over time, allowing abnormal cells to grow without control. Every healthy choice you make today helps protect your cells tomorrow. If this explanation taught you something new, follow for more simple medical lessons. I am still a student doctor. Stay safe.